going? Maintenance Mike here. What's up? What's happening? You know what I'm saying? Do you want to learn how to work on your truck? Are you tired of taking your truck to the shop just to get its oils changed? You are? Well, you're in luck because I have the DVD for you. How to change your oil. All right, let's get it. All right, guys. First things first. Make sure you got the proper oil for your truck and the proper oil filter for your truck. The oil I'm using today is 0W20. This is the Walmart brand, the Super Tech. It's the cheapest oil out there you can get. So, now me. And what you guys to do is figure out where you put your oil and where you check your oil. For on the Tundras, there's a oil fill cap right here, which has what oil you need to put on, and then your dipsticks over here. And this is what you need to do when you check. All right, next you want to locate your oil filter. This is a oil filter housing, which houses the filter for the Toyota Tundra, and then you also want to locate your drain plug on your oil pan, which is over there. I'll do that in a minute. But yeah, you're gonna have to take that off. Alright, so right there is your drain plug on your oil pan for the Toyota Tundra. So there you go. We're gonna loosen that, let the oil drain. But first we're gonna do the oil filter housing. Alright. Alright guys, so this is the filter wrench you're gonna need. One that kind of looks like this for the Toyota Tundras. It has like the 3 marks in it, and the one in the back. Alright, so when you loosen your oil filter housing, it's gonna drain oil. So make sure you have a pan underneath there. Alright, so when you get your oil filter housing out, make sure you wipe it off with all the oil on it. There's 2 O-rings you gotta take off, one right here. You're gonna replace them with these 2 O-rings right here. Directions usually come with it, so it should be pretty easy to figure out. Put your filter back in and then put it back up there. Pretty simple. You guys got it. Alright, so after you do that, you're gonna want to loosen your drain plug and drain the oil on your oil pan. So we're gonna go ahead and put this 14 millimeter on there. That's what it is. And loosen it up and let it drain. Alright. Alright, so we're gonna have it loosen this up. Oh, there we go. Alright guys, it might be a little hard to see, but I got my funnel here ready to go ahead and pour oil in. So it's always good to, if you're doing your oil change, to write how much oil you put in here. I go put 7.9 in, 7.9 quarts. So I'm gonna put that in there. Just like that. You guys see the pour? Oh god damn it. Alright guys, so once you put oil in your truck, you're going to want to start it and then check the oil. Make sure you put the right amount in, so let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so we're going to start it up real quick. Let it run for a little bit. Let the oil pressure up. Alright, grab yourself a rag, pull out your dipstick, wipe it down, put it back in there. Check it, looks I'm a little low, you can see that, it's a little low. I'm going to add a little bit more, about a quart low. So, make sure you, alright, check it one more time. I put another quart in, so we gotta check it. And bam, right there at the second dot, if you can see it. So we're good. Oil is now full. Alright guys, so that's how you change your oil in a Toyota Tundra. Yeah. It's also good practice to see if there's anything wrong. I need windshield washer fluid as well and my wipers changed. So I got the wipers. I have to get the windshield wiper fluid later. But let's show you how to put wipers on, I guess. Alright guys, I put my wipers on off camera, brand new, so we got those on there. I just want to say thank you for watching to the end, and I appreciate it. If this helped you in any way, let me know. If you liked the video, like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate it guys.